Hello there. Welcome to Easy English Challenge number 18. Today we will do a reading and listening session. Let's get started. Welcome to our reading and listening challenge. In this segment, you'll hear a short passage read aloud. As you listen, try to focus on understanding the main ideas, key details, and vocabulary. After listening, test your comprehension with a few questions or discuss what you learned with a friend. Ready to sharpen your English listening and reading skills? Let's get started. This is a story about the power of persistence. Emma was a university student struggling with a challenging course. No matter how hard she studied, she kept falling short of the grades she wanted. Frustrated and exhausted, she considered giving up. Then one day, her professor shared a story about his own struggles during college and how he'd nearly dropped out. But he didn't quit, and eventually, he succeeded. Inspired by her professor's honesty, Emma decided to keep going. She sought help from friends, attended extra study sessions, and gradually began to see improvement. By the end of the semester, her hard work paid off. She aced her final exam. Emma learned that perseverance could turn her failures into triumphs. She knew now that, even in the hardest times, persistence was her greatest tool. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and share so others could get the benefits as well. We have more videos coming up. Stay tuned.